So now we got round two here. You've got paddle boats. These things are fun, but you want to flip over these things. If you get stuck in these things, it's paddle north. A bunch of paddles. You got yourself a hat. About $30 for a hat. Are you kidding me? Jesus, that's prostitution. So, there you go, scuba. So these are. This one's a little. I like this one. This one's kind of cool. $1,300. This one you paddle right along. Look at that. That's kind of cool. This would be a great one for. You can put your pop right there. Cruise along. Bad boys. This is a double one right here. Oh, lowly. And you got the bikes. Move along. Scuba weed control. Muck reduction. Lake weed removal. All right. You can see it submerged. Yeah, get all that weed out of there. You want weed control, you guys. They'll take care of it for you. These are. What the hell this is? Oh, I see. You sit on that bad boy. I think. Hey guys.
Hey, how's it going?
Not too bad. How's business? What do you guys build houses and stuff or what?
We sell
Decks?
materials too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we sell.
I see. All right.
Any projects coming up or?
No, not yet. Just browse around. So you get into. We've got one of those downstairs. Visual possibilities.
Maybe that was a business meeting.
This is kind of nice. Look at this. D-Dirt Construction. Welcome to the lake. Very nice. So now I'm going to get over here, expanding your experience. I'm going to get over here. This is kind of something unique. Put this in your backyard and put your kid out here. Look at that. Look at this. Oh my. Kind of come in here. This kind of like a, I don't know, cabin middle of nowhere, I guess. I don't know. It's got your fireplace right there. You can sit here and hang out. Sleeping over here. I don't know. Interesting. I guess you could put it in the backyard and have this for your fort for your kid or something. I don't know. Interesting. Sturdy. Interesting. Huh. Nice. Don't need to use the don't need to use the next door neighbor, huh?
I'm not too good at driving.
It's like your own little video game, huh?
Yep. Oh, yeah. But it runs itself when it's outside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. How many times you got to change the yeah? I mean, does it mulch it up or what?
Yep.
Okay.
As it goes so much over time, it can run 24/7.
How much does that cost?
$2,000 to $6,000.
Jesus. I see. All right. I still like my ride lawnmower.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
I know. Then you got your club ones here. This is the drive around your golfing community, cruising around. I think you saw one of these at one time when I was at the auto show, I think. Got your cooler right here. Kind of loose. So I think this is, you know, it's not like the sports show, but it's close enough. So I'm gonna go over here and look at some of this stuff.
You don't know the language.
Look at these things. Oh my goodness.
I wouldn't even know where to start. I didn't know. It's like guys will call and say, "Hey, I got heel day." And I'm like,
Look at this. Oh my goodness. You want $300 for the chair. You want about $2,000 for that. So you're looking at, do the math. And then they want for this down here about $230, $240. So if you would do it all under one, they should have a price for the whole thing. Kind of some interesting stuff. I like that. Some nice furniture. So this is the Up North Expo, you guys. Second day of March, excuse me, 2024. That's kind of a nice bed. That's nice. Very nice. So the name of this place is Northwood Outdoor. Oh, Northwood Outdoor. Okay. Where are you guys located?
Hayward, Wisconsin.
Hayward. Okay, West County. Okay. I want to just lay down on that bed and go to sleep.
Oh, me too.
Oh my goodness. Very nice. I like homemade stuff. There's a place we were on the Oregon coast, and there's a guy that made stuff all out of wood out there. It was all just beautiful stuff. I mean, I'm talking beautiful. So I love you're keeping history alive by making stuff by hand. That's keeping history alive. It is.
Yep.
You all know manufacturing today, no one gives two F's.
No.
Especially the RV business. There you go. Here's your little cabin right here. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I don't know if that's a standard price. These are kind of nice. 12 to 16, 2 to 4. What are you doing? Put this in your backyard again for your little. This could be your podcasting room in here. What the hell? Make your TikTok videos in here? Whatever. Huh. I don't want to fall over that. Yeah. What do you guys think, huh? Solid as a rock. 3 to 4 joists, 16 inch on center frame. Probably better. I bet this stuff's better put together than RV. So, nice. All right. Got some more of these stuff. Different colors. These are nice. $300. These are all. These are kind of cool. What?
Don't pass by without sitting.
On this one right here? All right. She says I got to sit on it. I guess I got it. Oh, they're nice. I can see. Yeah, look at that. She made me sit. She's forcing me to sit in it. As no one gets to the booth. So yeah, it's kind of cool. So I don't know. I think it's kind of a interesting place. Yeah, I guess it is nice. What does this thing cost anyway? Let's see. Doesn't say. I bet it's about $500. Let me see. Hang on a second. About $600. Anyways. Sorry. So they have more chair anyways, you guys. So you can see all kinds of fun stuff. Anyways. We'll see you guys in the next one, all right?